Hi, Leo. Can you help me learn some English words about morning routines?
Of course, Nina. Let's start with waking up. It means opening your eyes and getting out of bed.
How do you pronounce waking up correctly?
Say it like this: waking up. Focus on the long A sound in waking.
Great. What's next after waking up?
Next are bathroom activities like brushing your teeth and washing your face.
Can you teach me how to say brushing your teeth clearly?
Sure, say brushing your teeth. Stress the first syllable, brush, and the word teeth with a clear th sound.
The th sound is tricky. Any tips?
Put your tongue gently between your teeth and blow air out. Practice with teeth and think.
Thanks. What about washing your face? How do I say it?
Say washing your face. The A in wash sounds like ah, and face rhymes with place.
After the bathroom, what do I say about breakfast?
You can say eating breakfast or simply having breakfast, which means you eat your morning meal.
Pronunciation sometimes confuses me. How do I say breakfast?
Breakfast is pronounced breakfast. The A is short, and the fast sounds like fist.
Got it. What's next after breakfast?
Next is getting dressed, which means putting on clothes.
How do I say getting dressed naturally?
Say it as getting dressed. The ed in dressed sounds like a T sound.
Interesting. What's the last step in the morning routine?
Usually leaving home, which means you go outside from your house.
How do I pronounce leaving home?
Say leaving home. Make the E in leaving a long E sound, and home rhymes with phone.
Thanks, Leo. Can you quickly remind me of these 5 morning activities? Sure, Leo. What are the 5 morning activities one more time?
They are waking up, bathroom activities, breakfast, getting dressed, and leaving home.
Can you help me pronounce waking up correctly?
Of course, say it as waking up. The A in waking sounds like day.
What about bathroom activities? It feels long to say.